I'm at this hackathon on love. All these single people in Munich, they want to find love or something, it appears. They are hacking, all the hackers. Hey guys, I have some questions. Hi.
Hi, I'm Johan.
Yama, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Alex, nice to meet you. A hackathon on love. Can you tell a little bit about that? Why a hackathon on love?
Because we need love, the world needs love, right?
Yeah.
Like now, like with like what's happening everywhere. So yeah, we thought that it could be nice to bring people together, around tech and love.
Okay. And you think technology can help us finding love?
It can really improve the way how we find love, I think. Since Tinder showed the way it's getting more and more popular, I think there's a lot of potential helping us out, especially introverted people, to get in touch with other people.
Yeah. But don't you think it makes it commodified? Like it's very cheap and accessible. You can have as much swipe left or right as you want.
Depends on what you build, right? Like it can also be like I've heard people, for example, building app for like more how do you say high-end kind of thing. So like. There's less choice, but like better choice maybe for like some people or like more niche markets.
Okay.
But beyond just dating, we also have teams working on couples. So like improve relationship. Yeah. Because we think it's quite important. Like we actually started with just the idea of like doing improving dating, but then we are like, actually. There's nothing much for existing relationship, but there's still a lot of problem. Finding someone is just part of the problem, right?
Yeah, definitely.
The other part of the problem is like how do you manage a relationship? Like how do you communicate? How do you keep like an happy sex life and stuff like that?
Okay, interesting. Lots of taboos. Okay, enough about that. I'm from this nice city of Eindhoven, from the Netherlands, and I'm here for 2 months to explore the startup scene, the tech and design scene. Maybe you guys can tell about your own organization, because it's a joint cooperation between our company and another company.
That's right. Start, Alex.
Okay, so should I talk about Cook & Code or?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so Cook & Code delivers workshops for absolute beginners, and we try to bring more people into the tech scene and to help the communication between developers and non-developers. Basically, that's it, and you can bring food, and with that you don't have to pay for any workshop.
Okay. Interesting. And what about you? What do you do?
So I'm a tech evangelist.
Tech evangelist.
This company called Stylight.
Stylight, yes.
Yeah. So we are a fashion company mostly. So we make style happen, which is our mission. We basically do like a search engine for style. So we aggregate feeds from different stores. We sort them, we augment them, we put them on a search engine, and then if you want to look for like your new next cut for winter, we can tell you can find it at Zalando, at ASOS or whatever.
Okay, and what about wearables? Do you also do something with wearables?
Not yet, no. But I just created a meetup about like fashion tech, so...
Okay. Make sure to come to Eindhoven. We have lots of wearables in Eindhoven happening.
That's very cool.
Okay, but one last question maybe, because my time is over. What's so special about Munich? Why should people from Eindhoven maybe come over to Munich?
Beer now.
And single guys all.
No, I think the tech scene is pretty good. It's really different from other cities in the sense that it's a bit more quiet. There's a lot of like talents. There's also like a lot of investors. Sometimes I actually even have trouble like finding startups. So like. Come to Munich, like some investors.
There's enough money.
To invest. Yeah.
Okay. That sounds interesting, because in Eindhoven we have a very strong hardware focus, but we lack the capital because it's in other cities. So we should come to Munich. That's
totally,
why.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah. Tonight we are going to have actually an investor from Munich, ABC VentureGate. We'll see.
Maybe we can say hi to him as well.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You want to add up something? Why is outside the beer thingy in Munich?
So, I think Johan already told that we are So Munich is really, really cool. So it's a really small city, and I think it's really fast to get to know everyone in the community or a lot of people. So if you know one person, you can build up a network pretty fast.
Perfect. Okay, guys, thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Pleasure.
Okay.